Hey everyone, welcome back into tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to add the payment method on Uber. In this I will guide you one of the easiest way to add the payment method on Uber. So let's get start our video. Open your Uber application on mobile device and make sure that you are logged in that. If you don't know how to log in and all, you can go and check one video I made on that, so you can check it. So now you can see at the left side at the down one account option is there, so click on that. So inside that you can see the different options are there. So now you can see here help wallet activity. So between one option you have to tap on that wallet. You can see here payment method. So inside that you can see here add the payment method, so click on that. So in that you can see here two options are there. One is that a gift card. If you have any gift card, you can add that enter gift code. You can give that code. After giving, you can see here at the down save icon is there, so click on that. After giving all those things, you can add in this way also. And if you want to add with credit or debit card, you can click on that. So in that you have to give your card number, expiry date, whatever everything detail it will ask. Then you can see here next. So in this way you can add the payment method on your Uber. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.